right here I'm making a TikTok about being a part of the Life in a Day YouTube video, making a TikTok about it. Yeah. It is 12:01, July 25th, and all's well. Good morning. It's Saturday. So I just finished breakfast and reading the Bible a little bit. So today is Saturday. To a lot of Christians and Jewish people around the world, it is the Sabbath. Other people, kind of practice that on Sunday or don't really even refer to it as a Sabbath. I try to keep a bit of rest in that way, in that, like at the end of the week and that sort of thing, whether Saturday or Sunday, and just it works out that it's going to be today more so because tomorrow is busy. So I slept in today, and I came out here on our front porch and have been eating breakfast and reading devotions and praying and stuff, and that's just the start to my day. Hey look, I have it on the calendar. Life in a Day planned, and the graduation party we're going to later. Okay, so during all the COVID, the pandemic stuff happening in Michigan, where I live currently, we can still pick up stuff at the library, but they bring it out to our car. So I have to call real quick and let them know I'm here. I'm here to pick up my stuff. It was going to be my mom, and now it's me. Okay, thanks. Bye. Time for some of that Sabbath rest. Time for some more relaxing. I usually put something like this on my phone. A relaxing little scene. I'm just going to read a little bit. Right here I'm making a TikTok about being a part of the Life in a Day YouTube video, making a TikTok about it. Yeah. Thought it was time to practice my mandolin a little bit, but I gotta tune it first. I love walking along our beach. Even it's kind of restful, even though it's walking and hiking. But here in Michigan, there are still like a lot of people out. So thankfully, summer is still kind of going on. Quite a few people out, just swimming and talking and laying out and stuff. A little inlet that we like to call Pirates Cove, where the pirates come in. Still lots of boats out, people swimming. What do I love? Well, definitely the classic God and family and friends, totally. But what's specifically on my mind right now is I love sleep. I just want to sleep all the time. Well, not all the time, like in an unhealthy way, but I just really like sleep. What do I fear? To be honest, sometimes I fear. I mean, like, I have a healthy fear, like, of going on an airplane just to be safe, but not like I'm panicked. But like I might be more afraid of the feeling of fear and panic with stuff goes awry and I can't get to my gate and all this stuff. Like, I'm more afraid of the fear, if that makes sense, which is a kind of a stinky thing to be afraid of, because it goes in circles, you know? Hey, there's something on this tree. Say July 2020. Here's your money for passage into the good place. Love you, brother. Aw, it's a heart. I wonder if it's like a memorial. What's in my pocket? I guess you guys want to see the lake more than the cars. What's in my pocket? My license. Let's see. My phone, the camera case of the camera I'm using right now. Let's see, wait, I thought there was, oh yeah, and keys. So I guess just like normal things you might need from your pocket. So this question is, what would I change? And there's a lot of hurting in the world right now. I would definitely want the change to be people to come to know God and Jesus Christ as their Savior. He brings such peace and the promise of eternal life and help and joy and hope, and that's what a lot of people need right now, you know? Last stop today, graduation party, and it's definitely changed since the pandemic. As I'm going to show you, there's like little individual containers for food and like masks and hand sanitizer and stuff. Well, that's pretty much the end of my day. It's still light out here, but it's almost 9 o'clock in the evening at night, and I'll be going to bed pretty soon. Thanks for letting me be part of Life in a Day. Check out my backyard in the evening.